down. Here, heel. Sit. This is Mavi, and we're working on sit, down, and coming to heel, and we're doing this in the hallway. He was also spinning incorrectly. Notice the way that he spins when he goes backwards? That's the way he has to do it. But I'm posting this video because I want you to watch the dog's body language. The dog has an e-collar on. The e-collar wasn't used once during this session. Training is the lifetime of your dog, and train your dog so that they like to play. Don't use food. It's such a mistake. The dog, do you hear me praising the dog a whole lot? I don't have to. Look at the dog's tail. The dog likes the action of the commands. See what I'm saying? I'm not saying that I don't praise this dog, and I do, but you don't do it all the time, and don't ever train with food. Watch Mavi work. Heel. Down. Heel. Sit. Heel. Down. Heel. No, heel. Down. Heel. Come on, heel. Good. Sit. Heel. Down. Heel. Come on. It's a good boy. Sit. Heel. Down. Heel. Sit. Nice. Heel. Down. Heel. Down. Heel. Sit. Heel. Down. Heel. Sit. Heel. Down. Heel. Sit. Heel. Down. Heel. Heel. Down. Heel. Come on, Mom. Heel. Good. Down. Heel. Sit. Heel. 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 Down. That's pretty fucking good, Mom. Good boy. Nice work, dude.